start like stop.
I'm just gonna wait. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Hi. I'm new to this, guys. I don't know what the hell am I doing. Hi, Sufi Kaur. Oh, Ramneet, that's you. I'm saying Sufi Kaur. Hi. Thanks. Okay. अब मैं क्या करूँ? I didn't even know that, Can you guys hear me? Okay, I need some response from you all. Okay. Okay, am I just supposed to say hi and hellos? Can you guys hear me?
मैसेजेस करेंगे आपको रिप्लाई करना है.
हाँ तो that's why I'm being vocal. No? So there should be some typing happening. Okay, there is.
There is.
Okay. Oh, maybe. Hi, Himani. Love you. Kya? Okay, of course we can hear you. Okay, I didn't know that I was supposed to scroll the messages to read. I'm sorry. Okay, this is fun. You don't have to face palm yourself, darling. Okay, who's asking me the first question? Let's begin. Okay, I think I'm live at least 10 minutes or 5 minutes early, right? Till general public joins us, we guys can just have a chit chat, right? So, thanks, Himani. Hi, Raghav. Hi, Mayank. Hi, Ankita. Sorry. मैंने तेको वेव भेजा था. That's very sweet of you guys to come in. Question तो पूछ लो भाइयों बहनों. God, I was so stupid to think that I can go live on YouTube. That was so dumb. I love your laugh. Always have. Thank you. I find it bhyanak, but I love it too. Thanks. Who is Sahni 9172? Okay. Okay, Ankita, she has a question now. I want to know about my career. Babe, you need to ask me a little more specifically. ऐसे तो मैं नहीं बता सकती. जा जाके डॉक्टर बन जा. Sorry. Ask me a specific question. What do you want to know about your career? बोतल आ जाएगी यार. मत निकाल लो. Lots of puchis to you too. Okay, so your question is planning to start some business. It'll be good for me. Okay, because your Queen of Pentacles ka card had popped out when you were asking me this question, which means you're starting to have some great ideas about your own business. Let's see. Ankita, whatever your ideas are, I don't think they are planned out well. See, you're thinking your luck is going to change, Wheel of Fortune, and your High Priestess. Matlab, you're really thinking too much about this. But right now, you're going with too much of over passion. I think you need to slow down and think of pros and cons first before you begin. Right now is not the exact time for you to start that. I think go in balance. Don't go overboard with your thoughts. Let's see. Just wait about 4 weeks a month's time, just think about the pros and cons, and then probably you'll be able to set up well. Okay, I hope you got your answer, darling. Hello, Mr. Taneja. How are you? Okay. What is the science behind tarot reading? Sir, I'm here to answer your questions as per your future, or your questions about in general queries of astrology, or probably this. For this, why don't you Google it? You'll know it before you come and join in here. I'm not being rude. I'm just telling you here. I'm just talking about your questions, sir, regarding your personal life or probably your business or something. Hi, Inder. Thanks for joining in, man. Okay, Ramneet has a question. When am I getting married? Canada is on a pause for a while now. I know, babe. It's on a pause for everyone. A lot of stuff. Okay, do you have any specific amount of or a specific time span that you have in your mind, because your energy is going to be more appropriately answered then? If you have any specific time where you're wanting to get married, what time span? Because here we're not, personally sitting, so the energy won't be like really appropriate. So just ask me specifically on that, I'll answer you. Till then, I'll see Himani's question. How will a career for me in gastronomy food pan out? Babe, the amount of, the posts I'm seeing, energy-wise, I'll say it'll pan out damn well. But, okay. Okay. I think, Himani, your time is like, there are a lot of more things. There are a few more things that you need to, get into in gastronomy, like you said. It'll take you at least 3 months. See, because 2 cards are coming here. 3 months it'll take you to really be in that zone where you'll say, wow, I've done it. So you can go ahead, but there's something like 10 of Swords. You have to put a stop to something which you're already doing right now. Probably you having too many things at hand, and you need to really, you handling 2 things, you need to sort that out first to get really into this zone for you. But I'll say 3 months tops, you'll be like, I'm there where I wanted to be. Yeah. Okay, Ankita, true, right now just planning. After 1 month I'll take some final decision. Very good. I wish you all the best. Don't jump into any decisions as of now, because it'll just won't give you results. Okay. Ramneet has a continued question. Before December 2020. Okay. Hi, Ignore. Thanks for joining, bro. Okay. Yes, babe, you before December there are a lot of rishtas, or probably a lot of what do you call rishtas in English? I'm forgetting. Proposals. You're gonna get a lot of proposals before December, and to be precise, let's say you will have 3 or 4, maximum to the 6. You will have proposals, out of which quite a few you might just just wean off generally, but I think it's going to happen, yes, in December. Before December 2020. And Canada, I don't think it's going to happen as of now. I see you having a change of thought as far as shifting to Canada is concerned. I see probably you getting married and then thinking of shifting. I don't know if this makes sense to you, but that's what's coming for you, darling. Hi, Pritika. Hope you're well. Thanks, Himani. Hi, Nikita. Oh, my dad's also online. Hi, Dad. Thanks for joining in. Nikita has a question. Okay. Hi Jyoti. Very true. You know me so well. Thanks, Ravneet. I'm glad you resonated with the question answer here. Hi Jyoti. Pritika, when is the right time to conceive? Okay, babe. Let me just see. Again, babe, can you be a little more specific? Are you planning on a timing? To be specific, are you really planning on what time you want to go ahead with it? The energy is going to be more appropriate then, because we're not, we're not doing a one-on-one session. There are too many energies here. Pritika, that was for you. Yeah, I want to ask about marriage. Nikita, whatever your question is about marriage, please be a little specific. Like I said, see, there are a lot of energies out here. I'm not doing a one-on-one session. So just be a little specific with your question, as in, I want to get married by this, specific time. So the answer is going to be more appropriate for you. Can you just rephrase it? Prerna, hi. Thanks for joining. I'm good. Prerna, how are you? Shall I start planning? Okay, Pritika, your continued question. Should you be starting with the planning of your family, as in conceiving? See, babe, you can, but the unknown card, whenever this card comes out, I always say, see, this answer can be changed. And in tarot, we always say we don't generally talk about babies and their sex when they are born, or what is going to be their sex, because it's really depending on your karma and how karmic actions are going to be for you. As in, my energy is just in general what can be happening, in your life. Right now, you might just start planning in a week's time and you're kind of ready, but I think you are confused. You keep going on and on, or back and forth with your decision whether you want to go ahead with the family or not. So your answer is not coming really, a specific answer is not coming for you. You could rephrase it if you have something else in your mind. Probably I can ask then. Mayank, how to have one-on-one session? Darling, you have my website there, my phone number is there. You can come meet me. You can do on WhatsApp, via voice messages. And that's how we can go ahead with the session. The session lasts up to 2 hours. You can do a half-an-hour session as well. If you don't want to go on a whole session, you can do per questions as well. I hope that answers your question, darling. Yes, of course, there's a YouTube channel. It's Triambaka Tarot Readings. Hi, Sumaya Kohli. Thanks for joining. Hi, Ruby. Just a minute. Yeah, it's saying someone is requested to be in your live video. No?
You can join you, but don't.
Okay. Hi, Ruby. I'm really, but there's nothing happening on Facebook here. Does it show something? Come from this side. स्टॉप दबाऊंगी तो लाइव नहीं जाऊंगी ना फिर. Hi Ruby. Umesh has a question. When things gonna get normal? See, if you're talking about the pandemic happening right now, I really already predicted about this. I think it's gonna get a little funny in July 20th, around July 20th. But I see this completely leaving us around September 28th. Yeah. But I see this not completely vanishing, as in this virus completely not vanishing. I see this coming in different forms next year as well. So we'll have to really live with it. Yeah. Pritika question again. Shall I start some new business? Okay. Hi Sonali. Pritika, you can. I think you've already moved away from your decision of some sort of business that you had already started, I think. Or maybe this own decision that you've just asked me, this question, you thought of it before and you have walked away again, but I think your mind is still stuck there. You can definitely start. But be very careful. I see a lot of frustrations in having this new setup for you. Wait for about 3 weeks, darling. I think someone very close to you, maybe your husband or someone really close to you who understands you is going to agree and is going to push you towards this. 3 weeks tops. Hi Sonali. Love to you as well. You're welcome, Umesh. Shall I invest in business right now? Okay, just a minute. Let me just shuffle. Okay, have I done something wrong? Sonali, you can invest in business right now. 10 of Pentacles card coming here, but it's going to be like a hollow victory for you. You will not get your returns as much as you're expecting. So I think you should wait for a while. Say about, give it 2 months for you to start something new. 2 months time, I don't see anything really panning out for you as such. You can, lay down the bricks of the base, you can say, but I don't see it really working out like this. So you'll have to wait for a while. You're welcome, Pritika. Hi, Priyanka. One and last. Ankita, I didn't understand what you're saying. Nikita's question, should I get married this year or next year? Just a minute. I see next year being more better. This year, I don't see the stars happening. You're going to have a new beginning next year, darling. Not this year. I think February is going to be the best time next year. January, you will start having the basis. If you're in a relationship already, you're going to pan things out, or maybe you're going to get a proposal very soon next year. I hope that answers your question. Hi, Ravi. How are you? Okay, Sonali has another one. 2 months again and again, as came earlier also. Really, I don't remember. Oh, yeah. You did the session last night, yeah. 2 months? 2 months came for your pet, darling. Yeah, probably. See, again, everything is connected astrologically as well. So, yeah, you wait for some time. Okay, Ruby has a question. I moved to my mom's place and left. Okay. I'm sorry. I didn't know this, Ruby. We need to talk. Okay. Ruby, things are a little slow, okay? After a week's time, probably things will start moving. 2 months later on, I see you doing whatever you want and whatever you are going to achieve, whatever mindset you had before coming to your mom, you're going to achieve that. But before 2 months, I don't see that happening. You're going to feel stuck. Just hang in there, because Justice card is here. That means you're going to get what you deserve in a good way. So just relax, hold your horses. The horses card has come. This means 8 weeks, 8 days, just wait. Your life is going to start moving. Don't think too much on it. Just, we'll talk. You're welcome, Sonali. Okay, Priyanka. Will I get married in 2020? What's with everybody wanting to get married? Okay, unknown card just popped out, so I don't know. Let's see. Are you in a relationship, or you just got out of a relationship? You have to be a little specific. I don't see it happening this year, Priyanka. I'm sorry. Prerna Demoda. Okay, I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong. Hi. What profession is the best suited to me, or what work or business shall I pursue? See, Prerna, again, I'm saying it again and again, because this is not a one-on-one session. There are too many energies around. You have to be very specific with your question. You have to give me a few choices for me to answer you specifically, rather than just, out of the blue. I can't just answer you like this. If you were having a private session, probably I could have answered you, but here I can't. You can rephrase your question, Prerna. I'm sorry. Sonali, yes, so holding on. Yes, darling, please do. I'm here with you. Okay, Nikita, thank you so much. And want to ask you about job growth. Okay, what about job growth? Again, be very specific with your question, people. I'll be able to answer you more appropriately. Ankita, thumbs up to you as well. Ruby, thanks. Love you. We'll get in touch again. Ankita, when am I getting married? Any chances for proposal? Okay. Again, is this, I'm asking it right now, as in, are there any chances as of now for you? I don't see the kind of person you're looking for. I don't see that happening. I see it happening probably start getting something after 8 weeks. That is almost 2 months. Why everybody's answer is coming after 2 months? Yeah, Justice card here again. 2 months. I think astrologically this time for the whole universe is not happening. Okay, Priyanka coach just got out of one. Yeah, because your card was saying you just got out of one relationship. So I'm glad I resonated with your energy. Okay. Priyanka, you haven't rephrased your question, so I'm just gonna wait for you to answer. Question me again. Till then, Jyoti Malik. Hi. I want to know about my health. Okay, let's just see, because you haven't asked me anything specifically. Okay, I see you really working towards improving your health these days. I see you not happy with yourself, as in health wise. You have anxiety issues as well, I hope. This is what the cards are saying. Again, unless you're not very specific, the energies are not going to catch on your answers pretty well. But here I see things getting fine for you. I don't see anything. Again, number 8 means anything to you. It's of importance, probably your date of birth, your anniversary, if you're married, or anything to do with number 8. I see you being okay. I see you getting results of your work here. You're welcome, Priyanka. Ritik Arora, hi. Hello ma'am, I want to get into music industry. Will it be beneficial for me? Ritik. Ritik, your answer is coming a full on 100% yes, but the first card popped out was a Tower card.
Net.
Wi-Fi. I see the Tower card here, which means maybe you have tried here before and you've really fallen back hard. But I see it happening, yes. Beach mein there will be struggles, you will get frustrated, you will get options. Okay, if you're in a relationship, you really need to concentrate away from that. I'm not saying break up or whatever, but you really need to put in your energies in this career mode more than your, relationship.
It's disconnected.
How?
Connect to my.
Are you sure that you want to end the live video? What do I do?
Settings, Android AP.
Listen, there's no setting here.
Swipe. Hold.
Sorry guys, I'm having a little bit of internet issue. Just a minute. Okay, Ankita. I hope, Ritik, you got your answer after 2 months. Your voice is not coming properly. What happened? You guys are not able to hear me?
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay. Prerna has a question. Shall I close my business and start afresh or continue with my current work? Just a minute. I'm sorry guys if I missed someone's message. Please don't get offended. It's just that a little confusing. I'm trying to read everybody's messages here, okay? I'm sorry. So coming back to Prerna's question. Shall I close my business and start afresh? Okay, are you frustrated with your business right now? I see you getting angry. And yes, you can start a new business. You're going to get a lot of success. And I see you getting more dull energy in the current business that you're in. I think you should really start your new stuff which you're thinking of, but there are going to be a lot of people who are going to try to put you down or probably tell you, this is not going to happen well. Why don't you try and sustain this one? Don't listen to them. Go follow your gut, because I see the sun card coming. You're really going to achieve success. I hope you got your answer. Jyoti Malik, yeah, facing anxiety issues and I want to come out of it. Your card said so very clearly. As I gain a lot of weight and get frustrated, so just want to know when I'll get rid of it. Huh? मेरे को नहीं समझ आ रही. I'm sorry guys, 1 minute. Okay, Jyoti, anxiety issue. See, I don't remember what answer I've given you. See, if you want to really get rid of it, I can just suggest you if an energy card, whether it'll be over for you or not, but I really can't suggest you as of now, because it's really personalized question and there are a lot of energies here. So you can probably do a one-on-one session. And if you don't want to do a one-on-one session, I'm not encouraging you to spend your hard-earned money, darling. If you can't take a half-an-hour session, you can go for a per question thing as well, where I can answer you something which is going to be economical for you. I'm just here to help, guys. You can just approach me for that. In general, I'll just say door to spirit is your answer, your energy card, which means very clear. Try and do something which is peaceful. Get in touch back with your spiritual self. Try and do some things. And what, to be specific, I can only answer you if it's a one-on-one session. I'm really sorry, this is what I can help you out with right now. I hope that answered you. Ritik Arora, thank you ma'am, I appreciate your answer as well. Ritik, good luck, all the best. Hi Sal, hi Prerna, thank you, you're welcome. It's lovely to get in touch with you guys like this. Please, those who are new, I don't know you people, thank you so much. Why don't you go and subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Triambaka Tarot Readings. It's really going to help me. Thank you. There is a request for, I think, ignore. Thanks. Lokesh, hi Lokesh. Shrishti Bhardwaj, hi, thanks for joining in. Hey, there is some message or something also niche. What is that? Stay here. Let's see, what's this? I'm sorry, I'm a little new to this. This icon, see, he come a little close.
That's fine.
Let it be. Okay. Ramneet, you read out my card saying I will get a lot of proposals, but will I get married and will it be successful one? Okay. Okay, see, your answer is not coming really nice. So I would just say, why don't you let the proposal come first? Again, in tarot, we kind of catch the present energies. Like, for example, if I tell you today or maybe in 2-3 days time, Neha Didi is asking, like today I tell you you can have an accident if you go out on the road. And if you try and listen to my advice, you will not go out today. So, my prediction doesn't go false that you will have an accident, but you're going to avoid it. So here, my answer for you, whether it's going to be a successful marriage or not, let a few proposals come, let that time come, then probably your answer will be more specific. Honestly, this is not astrology. Astrology is fixed. Tarot tells you about your present energy. So, okay, so this, I hope this answered you, Ramneet. I'm sorry. I'll get back with you again. Ignores question, well, will things get back to normal for me? I love you, bro. Let me just see. Darling, your answer is coming 2 months again. I don't know what's with the 2 months of the universe. What is it trying to tell everyone? For everybody, answer is coming 2 months. I see your things, your life getting perfect again back in 2 months. If you believe so, it will. Prerna again. Which will be better, school or baby products, or stationery or arteries? Arteries? Which is better option for me? Okay, Prerna. Baby products is a complete no. I see you getting a lot of, कहने को people will say, yeah, she's working, she started something new, but you will know inside you're not doing as much well. But I see the school option being the best option for you. Hi Nehadi, thanks for joining. Yeah, a lot of people have left also. Okay. Prerna, which will be better school? I just answered you this question. Okay. You're welcome, Ignore. Love you, Ike. Ruby, will my marriage be successful? Hi, Nehadi. See, your marriage is going to be successful, but you're going to feel stuck in it any which way. You're somewhere feeling stuck for some reason, some odd reason. I can't make it. You want things to be like they were before. I don't know if this is making sense to you, but this is what the card is saying. You want things to be like they were before. But something has changed and you walked away from it. I hope it is making sense. I really don't know if this made sense to you. Hi Pooja, how are you? Long time no see. Prerna, thank you. You're welcome, darling. Thanks for joining, Pooja. Yeah, a lot of people left also. I think they've got the answers for the left, right? Okay, Prerna, you can go on to my YouTube channel, Triambaka Tarot Readings. You can subscribe, please. I hope it helped. 60% of the earnings go to charity, helping in social work for street animals. Please do help out. You're welcome. You're welcome, Pooja. Thanks, Prerna, for acknowledging. I hope it helped, Jyoti. You're welcome. I was supposed to be live on YouTube, but I didn't know you were supposed to have 1,000 subscribers. Otherwise, it would have been fun. But anyway, we'll reach there soon. Okay, I think it's just the beginning. It's just the first day today I've been live. So I think I've almost answered whosoever has joined in. I'll be live twice a week or probably once a week. I don't know how I'll go about it according to the response I get. But thank you so much. It was lovely seeing you all here. Thank you so much. Pritika has a question. I think, okay, I'll answer this. And if there are no more questions, I'll just switch it off. It's better for me. See, I see India being more lucky for you rather than going abroad, but I see some things have really stopped or come to a full stop for you. This question is Pritika's I'm answering right now. So again, 2 months, I don't know what's with, see, again, I think it's because of the pandemic that is happening. Everybody's life is in a full stop. But I see some things moving later on after 2 months. Right now, I see some things have come to a halt. But whatever is happening is a blessing in disguise for you, Pritika. I hope you realize that. Neha Didi, Please ask the card if something regarding work is coming up. Sure. Okay, something just flipped. Okay, it seems like you're just sitting and waiting for some good opportunity to come in. I see something happening next month though. This month I see things happening which you're not going to like or appreciate, or you will not really be up to the mark for. It will not be up to the mark for as per your expectation, but I see some things happening next month. Thanks, Prerna. All the best to you as well. Nehari, you can be a little more specific. If you have something in hand already, I can probably answer you better. Pooja, my husband has been. But what will happen about his job? Pooja Bhatia. I'm Pooja. Hi Pooja, I'm answering your question in a minute. What will happen about his job? या थोड़ा सा और स्पेसिफिक हो जाओगे तो इट बी बेटर फॉर मी. हाँ, you're welcome Pritika, you're welcome Nehadi. Pooja, just be a little more specific with your question once again. Will you stay in the same company or get a new job? Yeah, that's more like it. See, I see him being confused about staying in the same company, but I see it happening for the best if he stays in the new company. If he getting a new job, I think it's not going to be as if he's happy about it. It's Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords means hollow victory. And I don't think he's going to be very happy about it, but I think it's better if he tries to, the strength card coming in, which means he has to be very, very careful about how he speaks with the people he is dealing with in the present company. The present one seems to be better than the new one. I hope that answers you. Hi Daman, lovely, thanks for joining in. I was just about to go offline because half the people have left. Hey, people are joining here. Should I go offline now? It's been half an hour, 40 minutes. Okay. Hi Supreet, thanks for joining in. I'm just about to leave in about 5 minutes. If you have questions, please pour in. Thanks for whosoever gave me the heart. I just got a heart on my screen. I don't know who sent it. Thank you. Hearts back to you. Thank you for the hearts again. I don't know who's sending me hearts. Thank you. Okay, thanks Supreet. Hearts back to you. If you have a question, please write in. I'm just here for 5 more minutes. Oh shit.